Want to know how to upgrade your village level in Coin Master? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, you can just simply open up your Coin Master game. So we have also created similar videos on how to play Coin Master and how to upgrade and use, so make sure to watch it. So once you're here, you should be under the village or the spinner by default, and once you're there, you can just simply scroll down or scroll up, and as you can see, you should be under village by default. So in order to upgrade your village level, as you can see, I'm under village 1 by default. So just simply select this upgrade icon on the bottom left side, and now once you selected that, you can just simply select buy right here. And in order to upgrade it, so you need to just simply upgrade it accordingly. So as you can see right here, we currently need around 20 upgrades in order to get to the another level. So you can just simply keep on upgrading just like this until you reach finally to another level, and that's it. Super simple and easy. So as you can see, after a while you should automatically upgrade it, and that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more similar videos. See you in the next one.